back, my friends, and happy Friday. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another daily work from home job lead for you. This one is going to be mostly non-phone customer support type role, so almost anyone will qualify for it, and they are paying very well. We are going to jump on in. Just know the link to this page, if you want to put that application in, is in the YouTube description box below this video. Now, Shiseido is a large parent company that owns multiple different makeup and skincare brands. One of the skincare brands they own is Drunk Elephant. Drunk Elephant products have been featured across many beauty influencer YouTube channels. They are sold in big name stores like Sephora. And Drunk Elephant is hiring a customer relations coordinator for their e-commerce or online website operations. This is remote for the United States only, but they are basically looking for somebody to be primarily focused on ticket types related to ordering on their drunkelephant.com website, inventory availability, order processing, shipping, delivery, and packaging defects. They're looking for someone to maintain a positive, empathetic, and professional attitude towards customers during all points of engagement. You'll promptly respond to customer inquiries through email, messaging, chat, and phone, but through the tickets and all the other things because of a website ordering, most of this I do believe is going to be non-phone, but there are going to be times when you are on the phone. You'll have to troubleshoot and resolve any conflicts that the customer is having. You'll maintain detailed records of customer interactions related to each ticket. You'll do daily order management tasks, and of course you'll provide feedback back and escalate any issues to your supervisors. Now, they don't say a lot about what they are looking for, other than it does say prior experience with Salesforce, Service Cloud, or some kind of IBM Sterling call center is helpful to have, but it is not required for the position, because this position does execute customer-related shipping changes, order cancellations, revolving INR items, missing packages, so you might have to liaison with FedEx to try to help track packages. But they don't really list anything else that is helpful, so it doesn't look like they require any kind of college degree, so probably just customer service experience is all that you need. Now, they do pay very well. Pay for this position, of course, is going to be dependent on location, experience, all of those types of things. But pay is anywhere from $26.81 an hour all the way up to $36.87 an hour. Alright, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Always feel free to leave down below in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. And if you find any of my job leads helpful, please share with your friends and family. And I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.